Today we are going to make terrarium. So we want this glass bottle. Now we will go for collect some stones. I have some black stones. Let's collect them. I have collected them and I am going to put in the bottle. This much layer is perfect for our terrarium. Now we want one polythene and we are going to put this bottle on the polythene to make a cut. I'm using blade. You can use a sharp object, scissor, anything else. I have cut it and now I'm going to put in the terrarium. Now we can see it. Now I'm going to put it in terrarium and it fit. Now I'm going to collect some leaves, dry leaves. These much leaves are perfect for a terrarium. I have crushed them and putting them, but you can see how it is. We want some charcoals. This soil is sandy soil that is difficult to put with the hand, so I'm going to put directly with the help of polythene. You can see. Now we want some plants or shrubs. I have many of the plants in my home, so it's easy for me. I have collected them. Let's put one by one. So it's very difficult to put with the hand. So if you are going to use stick, it is easy. It will be. There are some insects also. How beautiful it is. These insects are not harmful for our plants. They give nitrogen to our plant. So we want this insect and many of them. For giving water, I am using this dropper. Terrarium don't want lots of water, so make sure water should not be more. By this method, water will settle down in the stones. Ants are coming for drinking water and they love this terrarium to stay in it. So we also want these ants in our terrarium. I am taking this bottle to cover it and it is gone fixed in it. So ants are fixed. They will not come out of this. I am going to place this terrarium inside. Now I am going to put this terrarium inside my home because it's so beautiful. People ask me and I tell them how it is. It's a terrarium. This terrarium don't want water after making it because we have put the water inside. Moisture go up and again the water falls down. So terrarium don't want again water. We don't have to remove the cap, so the moisture will not go in atmosphere. Thank you.